Hello and welcome to this first video about maps in gvSIG. We'll see the basic elements making a map. So what is a map in gvSIG? The maps are the gvSIG document type in which we combine different cartographic elements to be included in a map, the view or the views, legend, scale, not arrow, and then can be printed or as well exported in several formats. So how we can create and open a map? We click on map document, we click on new, and automatically it will open this window in which we can set up the page element of the map. Let's go and see in detail. We see here if we insert a view, so we select which view has to be inserted in a map. This is just an example because think that we can have more than one view in our project. So we select which view we have to import. We can also configure a view. If we haven't done before, we can configure here in this window the projection and the name and so on. Then we see there are other elements we can customize: the page size, then the resolution of the result from low to high, the margins, if the orientation it is vertical or horizontal, and then let's say this is the first result that you can have according to your map and to your preferences. When we have created the map, also from here we can change the information by here map, prepare page, and properties. So even after having selected the preferences according to what we have just seen, we can modify from these tools. And you see this is the window that is going to open: the page size, customize, the output, or as well the name, and if you want to activate grids that we'll see in details later on. So this is settings that you can modify at any time you need and you want. So you see, if you want to change the map properties, you just select the map. You see it will become with this dark square on the side. You right click on properties, or as well from here map graphic properties, and then you will have this window that appears. Let's go in detail and analyze each sections of these windows. You see here you can synchronize layers or map extent. What does it mean? That if you click on synchronize layers, every modification you make on the views will be made only also on the maps and vice versa, as well as the extent. If you zoom in the view, also the map will be zoomed. Here you can make the scale and define the scale and extent of the map. Not fixed, it means it will fit the window, available window, or you can define a scale or as well an extent according to geographic coordinates. The quality, you can define presentation, low or high according to your need, and you can as well configure a grid. What you do, you click here on show grid, then configure. This window opens and you can select the distances between each row and line and define as well how many horizontal division and vertical division you want to have in your map. If you want that the grid will be in form of points or lines or as well as symbol, you can add your own symbol, but basically according to international standards it should be points or lines. And as well you can decide the label of the grid, so the format, if you want rotation, horizontal or vertical, and the font type and color. You have as well some zoom tools. There are two different zoom tools. You can perform zooming the map without affecting the view through this tool, map navigation. I have these tools of zooming, and if you use this, you zoom in the view, in the map, sorry, but you don't zoom in the view. If you use this one, any zoom you make on the map will affect the view. So you see that in the map You can as well add the layers in the map without passing to the view. So you just go in the map and you click map, add layer. So the new layer will be added to the map. Or if you make some mistake, some error, you can use the edit, undo, redo options. And you can add also a second view. Let's say that maybe you can be interested to have a second view in the map, not only one. So you can add a second view. So you go here, map, insert, view, and you add a second view on the map. Or if you make some mistakes, you can delete the previously added view and add a new one. You can add graphics. Let's say like you were drawing with a pencil on a sheet of paper. You make a map, insert, you can add circle, point, polygon, polyline, and rectangle. You just go inside and you click. In this case, it's a polygon, or you can insert points or lines. After you have added these graphics, you can edit vertices. Let's say you're not satisfied, so you make a map, edit vertex. You click on the first position on the vertex, and you move until the new desired position. You can edit graphics, let's say, through other tools. Map, graphics, you can align, you can make the settings of the line. You see you have several options to customize what you are doing with the graphics. You can align like in any other software, or you can as well group or ungroup, or as well you can define the position with the very exact parameters. So next we'll add some more information to our map before printing it. So next video will be add more graphic elements. Thanks so much.